Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's Workshop. Today's theme will be using my CNC router as a cutter, and I'm going to show you how it performs. Cycle starts, and let's see how it goes. Of course, there is a little bit of difference in the material, as you can see, but you can perform multiple passes. And for the demonstration's sake, I will perform another pass on it. I will add an offset of let's see, 0.08. Enter regen toolpath. Let's go. Okay, let's send it away from here. Let's see how it goes. Quite decent, I might add. Okay, here is not a total cut. Okay, let's see here. Here I'm sure that it's actually not a total cut. As you can see, it was not all the way through. But as you can imagine, there is quite a little bit of difference in the thickness of the material and also all the other stuff. Let's see. And believe it or not, that was the second cut using this method. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.